Every year, the road network changes by as much as 15%. Please be sure to update your map data regularly to benefit from the best route guidance at all times. Map updates are published multiple times per year. They are available as a 2- or 1-year subscription in your BMW dealership or in the BMW ConnectedDrive Store. To update your map data, just use the latest map update on a 64GB FAT32 formatted USB drive. Map updates can also be downloaded via the BMW Update Manager. Please go to Remote Cockpit and select Control. If you scroll down, you can find Map Update. Please select your computer operating system to download the BMW Update Manager. Log in again with your ConnectedDrive credentials and select the vehicle that you would like to update the map for. After copying the map data to a 64GB FAT32 formatted USB drive, you can go and load it into the vehicle. Continue watching our How-To series to get the most out of your BMW.